The DC150 are our highly accurate stainless steel digital calipers for precision length, width, and depth measurements. With step measurements from 0 to 150 millimeters, they are ideal for use within woodworking, construction, and workshop environments. Features include precision external and internal jaws. The depth rod allows precision measuring of depths and heights. And step measuring for rebates, rabbets, and grooves. And a fine adjustment roller allows exact incremental movement up and down the scale. And the lock screw controls the mobility of the slider. It features a large LCD display that clearly displays measurements and units. The unit button enables easy switching between imperial and metric measurements. The DC150 includes a premium storage case, providing secure and convenient protection. The Trend DC150 for precision length, width, depth, and step measurements.